What to feed sick kids, cough, cold, and RSV edition from a dietitian mom and a pediatrician mom. As always, push fluids first. Hydration is your #1 priority. Honey is an effective home treatment for soothing sore throats and cough, but only after 12 months of age. Believe it or not, there is actually some data in favor of chicken noodle soup. All are foods with high water content like Jell-O, watermelon, applesauce, popsicles, and yogurt, and there's no need to avoid dairy.
At the end of the day, your priority is hydration. If your child doesn't want to eat foods, that's okay. If they do want to eat, it's fine to give them whatever they'll accept, but focus on the fluids.